Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Smoky Evening. Hot female contestants of Bigg Boss Season 14. The 14th season of much-awaited Bigg Boss will be aired soon, and we have confirmed list of female contestants of this season. Let us have a look. Naina Singh. Splitsvilla and Kumkum Bhagya famed Indian TV actress Naina Singh, who was also a part of India's Next Superstar, is a contestant of this season. The makers of the show have been approaching her from the last season, and this time she has agreed to do the show. Pavitra Punia. This actress was approached by the makers of Bigg Boss for the last season, but Pavitra Punia chose Balveer over Bigg Boss. But this time she did not lose the chance, and we will be watching her in the 14th season of the reality show. Jasmine Bhasin. Jasmine has already won hearts with Khatron Ke Khiladi and Dil Se Dil Tak. Currently she is doing Khatron Ke Khiladi made in India. This gorgeous actress will surely make her presence felt inside the Bigg Boss house, and she can easily replace the cuteness of Shehnaz Gill. Nia Sharma. Bold and beautiful TV actress Nia Sharma has been approached by the makers of the show for multiple years, and finally this time she has agreed. Nia will surely raise the hotness quotient of the show, this time with sizzling and charming nature. Sara Gurpal. To add the Punjabi touch in the show, Bigg Boss makers have this time decided to approach the Punjabi sensation Sara Gurpal. Sara has decided to be a part of the show and will be seen gracing the screen with her stint in the show. Scarlett Rose. She became a nationwide sensation because of her stint in the reality show of MTV Splitsvilla, and she was approached by Bigg Boss makers many times. The winner of the 7th season of Splitsvilla is taking part in this reality show this time. Tejasvi Prakash. Tejasvi Prakash has risen to fame and won millions of hearts with her stint in the show Khatron Ke Khiladi. The actress initially rejected the offer of the Bigg Boss, but if reports are to be believed, then we will be seeing her in the reality show. Deepika Singh. Diya Aur Baati Hum famed actress Deepika Singh is approached by the makers of the 14th season of Bigg Boss. As per reports, the actress might have said yes for the show, and she will be gracing the show with her charming nature. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.